If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and click that subscribe button along with the bell notification icon so that you get notified each time we upload an epic video. Hi guys, I'm Nigin here. In this video we are going to learn how to perform wireless debugging on Xcode and iOS 11 platform. This feature is really helpful for developers who build an app for iOS. First, you have to connect an iOS 11 installed device to your Mac. Open up your Xcode and make sure that your device is connected. OK, then go to Window menu and choose Devices and Simulators. Here you can see the connected device. The final thing you need to do is check the box called Connect via Network. OK, now disconnect lightning cable from your device to Mac. Run your project. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching this video.